Valve stack's all nasty. If you look here, these are all clean, although they're from an ATV. Same idea here. Those are clean, that's dirty. And that's disgusting. Servicing your shocks every 1,000, 1,200 miles is a great idea if you're able to. But more realistically, people do them around 2,000 miles. Stock oil and skidoo shocks, which you just saw, doesn't last very long. That oil's been bad for a while. This is brand new skidoo oil. What you saw was roughly 1,800 miles. That is what's in the sink. And then over here I poured out the other shock I took apart. And down there you'll see some goopy substance that I don't know, maybe I should send out for lab testing. I'm not really sure if that's good or bad, but I think you get the idea. Service your shocks every couple of years, every couple thousand miles. Thank you from Monster Performance.